At BVC Quirepace, we specialise in high-performance industrial cleaning solutions. Today we're introducing and demonstrating the BVC TS60 industrial vacuum cleaner, a machine proudly designed and built in our Hampshire factory, ensuring outstanding craftsmanship and reliability. The TS60 is a standout in the BVC range, engineered to deliver maximum power from a standard single-phase 230-volt or 110-volt outlet. What makes the TS60 special? Let's take a closer look. Power and performance. The TS60 features 3 individually switched 1 kilowatt motors, providing a total of 3 kilowatts of powerful, efficient suction, ideal for demanding cleaning jobs. Advanced filtration. Like all BVC industrial vacuums, the TS60 offers a wide range of filtration options to suit different requirements. Choose between a standard bag filter, unique BVC Clearflow filter system ideal for fine dusts. You can also add HEPA filtration, and we offer an M-class version where required. Large capacity. The heavy-duty 60-litre collection tank can be used with or without disposable bags. A wet tank enhancement is also available. It's easy to remove using a handlebar lever and its own set of casters. Versatility and mobility. Despite its industrial strength, the TS60 is designed for ease of use. Its sturdy frame and heavy-duty wheels allow the smooth movement even in tighter spaces. The tower configuration also ensures a compact footprint for a machine of this power. Let's take a look at the TS60 in more detail. The collection tank, the standard filter section, the optional HEPA module, and at the top, the motor head, which houses 2 or 3 motors depending on the specification. The TS60 is the ideal choice for tough industrial jobs where only 110 or 230-volt single-phase power is available. Paired with a Clearflow filter in M-class, it's perfect for collecting large volumes of fine dust, including concrete and foundry dust, while resisting filter blinding. Like all BVC vacuums, the TS60 comes with a 5-year warranty and full UK support for complete peace of mind.